Welcome to your channel name. Being a mom on the move can be tough, especially when you're juggling work, errands, and pumping. But with the right essentials, you can make pumping more efficient, convenient, and stress-free. In this video, I'll share the ultimate essentials for moms on the go, including must-have products, organizational tips, and time-saving hacks. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or traveling, these tips will help you pump like a pro wherever you are. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more parenting tips and advice. Let's get started. Your pump is the foundation of your pumping journey. Lightweight, compact pumps like the LV or Willow are ideal for moms on the go. Battery-powered or rechargeable pumps ensure you can pump anywhere, even without access to an outlet. Wearable pumps allow you to multitask, making it easy to pump while working, traveling, or doing chores. What's your favorite portable pump? Share your recommendations in the comments. Having the right accessories makes pumping on the go so much easier. Hands-free pumping bras keep your pump secure and free up your hands for other tasks. Leak-proof, freezer-safe storage bags are perfect for storing milk during travel. Cooler bags with ice packs keep expressed milk fresh and safe until you can refrigerate it. Cleaning wipes are lifesavers when you don't have access to a sink. Always carry spare flanges, valves, and membranes in case something breaks or gets lost. Moms, what's your must-have pumping accessory? Let us know in the comments. Whether you're at work, in your car, or traveling, creating a comfortable pumping space is key. Use a lactation room or a quiet, private office space, and pack a small bag with all your essentials for easy setup. Invest in a car adapter for your pump, and use a nursing cover for added privacy. While traveling, keep everything organized in a dedicated pump bag with compartments for your pump, bottles, and cooler. What's the most creative place you've pumped? Share your experiences in the comments. Time is precious for moms on the go. Use a pump that allows you to pump both breasts simultaneously to cut your pumping time in half. Pack your pumping essentials the night before to avoid rushing in the morning. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes once a day to power pumping to boost supply and reduce the number of sessions you need. What's your go-to time-saving hack for pumping? Share it in the comments below. Self-care is just as important as pumping for your baby. Keep a refillable water bottle with you to maintain your milk supply. Energy bars, nuts, and fruit are great for staying fueled throughout the day. Give yourself time to relax and recharge during pumping sessions. Moms, what's your favorite self-care tip while pumping? Let's share ideas in the comments. Pumping on the go doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right pump, accessories, and time-saving strategies, you can stay on top of your breastfeeding goals while managing your busy life. What's your best tip or favorite product for pumping on the go? Share your advice in the comments to help other moms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips and advice. Check out my other videos for more ways to make motherhood a little easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay organized, and keep being the amazing mom you are.